Feels so like. Yeah, it's not developed. The people will maybe do more buildings.
Wow, nice, so baby. You see the view? Take a photo.
Take a photo.
You can walk there. Oh, you see the water.
What you mean?
The car.
What you
Security.
mean? What you mean?
Aqua Boracay.
Yeah. Oh.
Aqua, it means hotel maybe.
Aqua means water, memo. Aqua.
Oh,
Water. Latin. It's also beautiful.
hi. Hotel din dito? Hotel din? Oh, hotel maybe. The name Aqua.
Okay.
Oh, nice place baby. Okay, so we're here at the Aqua Hotel in Boracay. Oh, it's a very big place.
Yeah. Okay.
But we cannot go here. We cannot enter there.
No, it's private.
Yeah. Only the
Yes.
the name Aqua.
Yeah, aqua is water.
Yeah, Aqua Hotel. Oh, Canada and Philippines. But I saw your flag there.
And European Union is the blue one.
Oh. Okay, we come back here. This.
Yeah, come on.
You want to walk in there?
Go walk over there.
Oh, we walk very far. I don't have internet lang.
Okay. You want to video?
No, yeah, video just.
Okay.
Oh, what is this flower, baby? You know, like this is a nice flower.
Unusual. Yeah.
Oh. Tomorrow morning is a nice here, baby. Nice view. Wow, guys. Sounds. Wow, the sound, you see.
The sound of the waves.
Now is high tide.
No. Low tide or high?
High tide.
High tide.
If low tide, baby, the water over
Yeah.
there,
Uh-huh.
the middle.
A lot of seaweeds maybe there. Look.
Yeah.
Plant seaweeds. You see?
Oh, our, you see,
Yeah.
our shadow. Oh, the one leg is very big. My one leg is very big. What
Yeah.
happened?
Oh, you got,
You see?
yeah. Because you, the lights, the way they are, oh, the tree is there. That's,
Wow. I'm a complete with my Myanmar. Yeah, you see the water, baby.
yeah, I can see it.
Garbage.
Yeah, I got it.
A lot of garbage. Oh, nice place.
Walking on the beach. Huh?
Huh?
Walking on the beach.
But very dark.
I'll got lights. Put my light on.
Okay. I have a video, no problem. Open the. on your flashlight?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Oh, sounds. Oh, what is that? I don't know. Walking over there. Huh. The no, the I think garbage,
No, no.
basura,
No, seaweed. Plant.
seaweed. Our hotel is there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, huh. Lovers. Lovers. They take out the food and they take it here. McDonald's. Quiet place. Yeah, we go there.
That's our hotel.
Okay, we go there. Our hotel is here. Ah, where there?
Exactly with the family.
Okay.
Not the first one. The second one.
Ah, yeah, the second. Yeah. ATM inside. You can withdraw money inside. ATM inside. Bentoso residence for sale. OMG. We have over there we walk up there. I think here is a dirt. You see a lot of garbage. Oh, this is a big hotel. Nothing maybe. Near our the next one. Oh, nice. All dogs hungry.
They have themselves.
Eh? Maybe the lady put dark place there. Don't go there really.
Huh?
Dark, very dark. Over. You walk there this way. This is a dark place. Huh? Yeah, safe here. Aqua Resort. Oh, you see the flower, oh. But almost. Yeah, walking out. All, yeah, we passed the hotel, our hotel. There are also hotel. Open. This also. Cute here. But I want the other side. People, a lot of people, they're walking. They have a bars. Yeah. No, almost feels 15 minutes. Fresh. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you see? Kites. Oh, I like these lights. This one, I think so. They have a name for it. I love Baraka. And then you're gonna take a photo here. Oh, nice video. You sit there later, I take your photo. You see, oh? Yeah. Over here. I'm wearing these leggings. My feet are small. Ah, yeah, of course. Oh, they have a lights, yeah. Mm. Maybe Dimitri wants to walk. I don't know. If I arrive the hotel, I send a message to him. Then we can walk over there.